Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. If I understand the gentleman's email, the writing needs to be equal away from the border all the way, all four sides. The best way to measure that, I don't understand what this example is, but I'm going to take away that indexing line. That's a smart thing to do, though. I'm going to go to View and Wireframe. It'll be a lot easier to measure when you have lines. So I'm going to take the parallel dimension tool and I'm going to go from about, see, it still doesn't click to anything. So that is 2.17 inches. And if we go from there to there, we're at 2.27 inches. If we go from here to here, we're 2.81 inches. And if we go from the bottom, I'm hoping this is what his question was. We're at 2.80. So we're pretty close top to bottom, but we're off on the sides. And that, so let's go back to view and enhance. And let's take away these items. The best way for me to do it, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 30 inches, and I'm going to nudge his border out of the way. Now, this is all grouped together, and even if you hit P, it's going to stay there. So that's normally how you would do it. But what you can do to make the edges the same distance all the way around would be to have your item selected, hold down your shift key, and double click on your rectangle tool. What that did, that put a rectangle at the furthest most points, top, bottom, left, right. Now, if we take that same item and go to Effects and Contour, and let's say contour 2 inches, that line is equal. So now if we go and break contour apart and take away that outer one, and then we can make this one whatever thickness you like. Let's go a little bit thicker. And then actually make it that blue or a blue. I'm not going to worry about it. So now everything is, I don't understand this because it's a little bit different than this. I would think that, maybe that's their logo, but put it in the center. So now let's try something. Let's go to View and Wireframe, and let's measure it now. And if we take our parallel dimension tool, and there's really no way to get it perfect. So we're at 2 inches. Well, why is that not right? 2.06. It's just the furthest part of the R is the furthest part. And it's just, there's nothing to snap to here. So you're just kind of relying on your feel. And I guarantee that's probably 2 inches, just depending on where you measure it. I'd almost guarantee it is. Now here we have something to snap to. We got a line, and we're at 2.01, 2.02. Well, that's equal, but it probably really is. Because if we back up here, let's back up to where we had the contour. That line is touching everything. And now let's measure it per that line. Let's zoom in a little bit. Get your parallel dimension tool. Now this time, start moving and hold down the control button. We're at 2 inches. That line to see right on the edge of that R, it's 2 inches. So that way, everything will be 2 inches from the border. But if you hold down your control button, you get a perfect edge. Now I'm at 2 inches. So that, if that's what he was asking, then I think that solved the problem. I don't know from what he told me whether that is that, but you know, you can tear that apart, and you still got this other one, and then I think we made it like 0.33. And as always, you can make it that color. Take a color eyedropper and take a sample and see, and there you go. Anyway, if that's not what he was looking for, he'll let me know. Anyway, I hope that helps them a little bit, and thank you for watching.